When we look into the eyes of a primate, we see a spark of familiarity, a reminder of our shared ancestry. Our DNA overlaps remarkably with these animals, making them our closest living relatives. This connection raises a fascinating question. Do monkeys and chimpanzees experience menstruation like humans? We often think of menstruation as uniquely human, but nature is full of surprises. Exploring this question takes us deep into primate biology, revealing a spectrum of reproductive strategies. By understanding these similarities and differences, we see ourselves as part of nature's intricate tapestry. Investigating whether primates menstruate isn't just a biological query, it's a window into our own place in the animal kingdom. The answer challenges our assumptions and highlights the extraordinary connections that bind all living things. Let's uncover what really happens in the cycles of our primate cousins. To answer whether other animals menstruate, we first need to define what menstruation is. In humans, the uterus builds a nutrient-rich lining each month, preparing for pregnancy. If no fertilized egg arrives, the body sheds this lining, resulting in a period. This visible bleeding, called overt menstruation, is a hallmark of the human reproductive cycle. Most mammals, however, don't shed their uterine lining, they reabsorb it instead. The human cycle, typically about 28 days, is a loop of building up and breaking down. This process maximizes reproductive chances while efficiently using the body's resources. So, when we ask if monkeys and chimpanzees menstruate, we're really asking if they also shed their uterine lining in a visible way. Overt menstruation is rare in nature, making it a unique biological strategy. Let's see which animals actually share this trait. Overt menstruation, the visible shedding of the uterine lining, is surprisingly rare. Most mammals have an estrous cycle, reabsorbing the lining if pregnancy doesn't occur. This covert menstruation is the norm for animals like dogs, cats, and elephants. Overt menstruation evolved in species with deeply embedded embryos, requiring a thick uterine lining that's difficult to reabsorb. Humans and some primates, especially Old World monkeys and apes, belong to this exclusive group. But there are surprises. Certain bats and the elephant shrew also menstruate. These distant relatives evolved menstruation independently, a case of convergent evolution. The presence of menstruation in such diverse animals challenges our understanding of why it evolved. It's not just about primates. Nature's solutions are more varied than we once thought. The story of menstruation is still unfolding, with new discoveries rewriting what we know. So, which primates actually menstruate? Monkeys are divided into New World and Old World groups, each with distinct reproductive strategies. New World monkeys, like capuchins and spider monkeys, don't menstruate visibly. They reabsorb their uterine lining. Their fertility is signaled through scent and behavior, not bleeding. Old World monkeys, such as baboons and macaques, do experience overt menstruation. The rhesus macaque cycle closely mirrors the human cycle, making it a key model for research. Other Old World species, like baboons, also have visible periods. For these monkeys, shedding the uterine lining is a clear sign of a new reproductive cycle. So, whether monkeys menstruate depends on the group. New World monkeys generally don't, but many Old World monkeys do. This distinction is crucial in understanding primate biology. Chimpanzees, our closest relatives, share about 98% of our DNA, and a similar reproductive system. They are among the few animals that experience overt, visible menstruation. The chimpanzee menstrual cycle lasts around 36 days, with a period of 2 to 4 days if no pregnancy occurs. The bleeding is less pronounced than in humans, but the process is fundamentally the same. A unique feature in chimpanzees is the sexual swelling that signals peak fertility, a trait lost in humans. This swelling is a clear advertisement to males, unlike the concealed ovulation in humans. Observing chimpanzee cycles reveals both our shared heritage and evolutionary differences. Their visible menstruation connects us to a common ancestor, while their fertility signals highlight a different evolutionary path. Studying chimpanzees offers a living window into our own biology. The story of menstruation in primates is a testament to the deep, unseen links that unite us all.